Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey of discovery as we delve into 5 captivating facts about the enchanting land of India. Fact number 1. India, a cultural kaleidoscope, boasts a breathtaking mosaic of over 2,000 ethnic groups and more than 1,600 languages. From the mesmerizing Bharatanatyam dance to the intricate beauty of traditional sarees, India's heritage shines through. And with festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Eid, the nation celebrates unity and diversity with unparalleled exuberance. Fact number 2. India's iconic landmarks. Behold the majestic Taj Mahal, an architectural masterpiece in Agra that stands as a testament to eternal love. But that's not all. Journey to the ancient stepwell, Chand Baori, where 3,500 steps lead to a hidden marvel, showcasing India's historical architectural brilliance. Fact number 3. India, a biodiversity hotspot. From the regal Bengal tiger to the majestic Indian elephant, its diverse ecosystems are teeming with life. The Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, houses a treasure trove of endemic species, earning India a well-deserved spot among the planet's megadiverse nations. Fact number 4. India, the birthplace of yoga and a spiritual haven. The holistic practice of yoga, a harmonious blend of physical postures, breathing, and meditation, was born here. And in the ancient city of Varanasi, along the sacred Ganges River, seekers find solace and spirituality, making it a true sanctuary for the soul. Fact number 5. India's triumphs in space exploration. ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, achieved an awe-inspiring feat with the Mars Orbiter mission in 2013. Becoming the first Asian nation to reach Mars orbit, India showcased its technological prowess and solidified its place in the cosmos. And there you have it, 5 captivating facts that offer just a glimpse into the wondrous tapestry that is India. A land where cultures collide, history lives on in stone, nature thrives in all its glory, spiritual seekers find sanctuary, and the stars themselves become stepping stones to exploration. Until we meet again for more explorations, remember India's story is as vast and diverse as the nation itself.